Over the past 30 years, one name has come to dominate the brake industry: EBC Brakes. A truly global player with strengths in every area of the brake industry, EBC has a vast worldwide network of distributors supplying the USA, Europe, Australia, Japan, and of course the UK. The EBC range is manufactured right here in the UK in facilities in Northampton, Bristol, Birmingham and Poole in Dorset, whilst their sintered pads are manufactured in their state-of-the-art facility in Cleveland, Ohio. EBC now has the largest product range in the world, covering cars, motorcycles, trucks, buses, vans, ATVs, mountain bikes, race cars, rally cars, karts, locomotives, and even wind turbines. But there's something else that makes EBC unique in the modern manufacturing world.
EBC is probably the last truly British manufacturer of brakes. All of the other famous names have gone abroad or licensed their manufacturing overseas. Our policy, targets and ethos for EBC Brakes is to make quality products, to make everything we possibly can in England, to maintain British jobs, to be the first to market with all the new products, just to be the best.
Quality is at the heart of everything EBC does and covers every aspect of pad and disc manufacture. EBC brake discs are cast from disc alloy, their unique formulation of the highest quality grey iron and copper to increase thermal conductivity and wear properties. All discs are cast using precision resin-impregnated sand castings and are subject to exceptionally high standards of material strength, tightly controlled surface hardness and resistance to cracking. These standards are constantly monitored and tested to ensure that every disc leaving the foundry is ready for a long, hard life. Each blank is then machined on a high-precision CNC machine to transform it into a recognisable brake disc. This is performed using modern processes and state-of-the-art machining centres, producing a brake disc capable of achieving the ultra-fine tolerances EBC demand. A program of constant monitoring and analysis ensures that these stringent quality standards are met for every single disc. Finally, slots, grooves and dimples are precision machined into the disc before another final tolerance check. And of course, the same stringent standards of manufacture and quality control are applied to all EBC's motorcycle discs, and this is no more apparent than in their use of precision laser cutting technology, which has become an important part of EBC motorcycle disc manufacture. EBC sintered pads have created a revolution in high-performance motorcycle brakes, gaining the prestigious Motorcycle News Product of the Year award and being used by race winners and motorcyclists worldwide due to their incredibly high brake effect and lifetime. Brake pad raw materials are researched, developed and mixed solely by EBC, and the recipe for each pad compound is a closely guarded secret. As with every good recipe, the ingredients have to be weighed out to the exact quantities and mixed in the right proportions. And with their own backplate manufacturing facility, EBC Brakes can maintain their leadership by being the first to market with new brake pad designs. The backplate and compound is then moulded into a pre-formed pad and then pressed into a recognisable brake pad. Then all the pads are baked to cure the friction material before the machining and treatment processes begin. As with the brake discs, the pad manufacturing process is monitored and tested every step of the way to make sure they pass EBC's stringent quality tests, and only then they get to wear the name EBC.
The standard procedure is for a dyno test, grafts to be analysed to see that everything's up to spec and looks right, and if it is, we put it on a test fleet. We've got over 50 vehicles and about 12 motorcycles in our test fleet. Every one of the key people in the factory is part of the development program. We all run our own brakes on our own vehicles and wouldn't use anything else. And if they're not the best, we don't sell them.
EBC have been at the forefront of innovation for over 30 years. Their research and development facility in Bristol tests all their products to destruction. And when they're not setting things on fire, they're designing, developing and refining their range. Their patented S-Drive rivet system for motorcycle discs totally eliminates warping. Their unique braking coating gives faster bedding and immediate performance. Pads feature chamfered edges for reduced tip drag. Slots for improved heat expansion performance. Shims for reduced brake noise and audible wear indicators. EBC use a comprehensive range of pad materials, from organic and sintered for motorcycle pads through to semi-metallic, organic and ceramic for car pads, which ensures that the right material is used for every application. And with their colour-coded range of automotive pads, you can choose the correct compound to suit your car's performance and your driving style. Ultimax, EBC's premium OEM replacement. Green Stuff for cars with up to 200 brake horsepower. Red Stuff, a ceramic pad for fast street driving. Yellow Stuff, EBC's flagship pad for race or street use. For even more performance, EBC's Sport Rotors can further improve braking as well as reducing brake temperature. EBC's Specialty Products division also manufactures precision carburettor jets for motorcycles and ATVs made on fully automated CNC machinery, and clutches for every motorcycle ever built using premium organic materials. Worldwide distribution is managed and controlled at their impressive Northampton storage facility, which holds a mammoth inventory of over 10 million products.
We're always looking for ways to improve, add a little bit better, give the customer a little bit more value and a bit more performance. You can never eliminate the competition, you just got to stay one lap ahead.